What it do? Today we're eating some seafood salad. It's tuna, mayonnaise, eggs, all that. Baked beans. I made some barbecue wings. Sausage stars. Yummy, yummy. Ranch. Don't ask me where I got this little cup from. If y'all hear anything, that's my sister in the background setting up her stuff to work from home. Because we working from home. This gonna feel so weird. Like being in the house. I seen something that said, I'm usually always in the house, but now that you making me be in the house, I don't want to be in the house. That's how I feel. I don't want to be in the house. No, I don't want to go to work either. I want to see how this works at home. But I am ready for this coronavirus to go away. Everybody blaming everything on the corona. That's a good excuse for everything. And Flash just did a video saying what I was saying. About ain't nothing in this world free. So don't think that these people don't let you get away with not paying your bills. Like he said, once they figure out how to get their money back, they're gonna do exactly that. So you don't want them bills to come, or you on a plan where you gotta pay $20, $30 extra a month. And like I told you, with most places, you still being charged interest, so that's worse than them charging you extra a month when you start back because you paying interest. And that's just free money for them. This virus got y'all going crazy. And then they already told y'all the face masks don't work and y'all still wearing them. No matter face masks don't work, it's because you're still breathing in the air. You still have to breathe. You still have to breathe. I think they just made them for doctors. They really don't stop nothing. If somebody was really sick with something that can fume up a room, they'll get it. That little mask ain't gonna stop you from nothing. Y'all act like y'all got one of them police smoke masks on or something. Y'all ain't got nothing but a little piece of plastic. Then I've seen people in the store, Lord help them, with a napkin, a couple of napkins folded, put that around their face, and then got a rubber band around it, so they made their own. They got y'all in panic mode. That's why I do not follow all that stuff. I can't do nothing about nothing that I ain't got no control over. This sweet baby rice be so good. I gotta figure out how to even get in my systems for work. But they know I was locked out Friday, so they said we'll figure it out Monday. So that's all they do. Well, y'all ain't gonna see this video at the Thursday. So I should already be set up by then. But who knows? food is hot. The first two wings going hot like that. They must be pressure washing the hallways or something. But it's crazy for them to be doing anything on a Sunday. Don't you think? I'm ready to do this Mexican candy video. I had dropped this off the table the other day. So right here, it's cracked. I don't know if y'all can tell. But it's cracked all right here. But I'm gonna pay $20 for this thing. And I'm gonna use it till it fall apart. Because when I move, which is next week, well, this will be my last week here. So y'all probably see this video Thursday. And I'll be moving that Friday. So, with that being said, I'm moving Friday, March 27th. And I'm going to start doing more of the videos that's just like the pots, you know, the pots and you throwing food in there and doing that and stuff like that. I like the mukbang. I like the mukbang and stuff, but I'm gonna do more of like the cooking, showing y'all me cooking and stuff like that. And then when I get a camera, then I'm gonna start doing me actually in the kitchen cooking and stuff like that. So we just gradually moving. I'll probably move away from mukbangs, but I might not. Because I might do the cooking show and then turn it into, after I'm done cooking, sit down and eat what I cook. So, I don't know. It just depends on how I be feeling. Because that's a lot of doing a video. That's 30 minutes to an hour in the kitchen cooking. Then that's doing another video sitting down eating. That's a lot of time. But I ain't got nothing but time. Once I ain't working no more. That can happen. Now, these baked beans on point. I don't know how these sausage stars gonna be because I only ever make them with one sausage, the sausage that I was told to make them with, and they was all sold out of that sausage. So I got a different sausage, so I gotta see how that's gonna be. These baked beans, baby, they hitting. I'm pretty sure because I don't think one of y'all can see them. This video only gonna be 20 minutes long. I'm actually in the middle of cooking a meal for somebody, so. But I ain't ate all day either, so. Okay. About to stamp it in the oven. I'm over here eating. Now I'm gonna cook her vegetables and her rice. Drop that off to her. I don't wanna get too full. Cause my mama cooking a Sunday dinner for us, so. It's still good. But it ain't got the spice in it. You got the other sausage I get. I'm getting full anyway, and I ain't ate all day. But yeah, this quarantine has become the new excuse. And I'm sick of it. These baked beans is hitting though. Because last time I made the baked beans, I didn't have barbecue sauce. My sister said they were still good. They was just alright to me. This right here, this how you supposed to eat them. Stuff I ain't make no ground beef in them because I got a lot of stuff going on here. But these sausage starters you can eat for breakfast or maybe like an appetizer. I'm getting full. Ratchet. Atkins. What's happening? Megan Thee Stallion got me on that Captain Hook. Repeat. I'm drinking at the bottle. Killed it. Real talk. And not that part right there. Hold the line. I'll be rewinding it. That's my woman right there. She did that. She did Savage too, but Captain Hook, that's that one. That's on the level of when she came out with Cash. Captain Hook, if you ain't heard Captain Hook, go listen to Captain Hook. I like my curve, She killed that song. Whoa. Whoa. Time is winding down. Winding down. Winding. Time is winding down. For Brazil. At this point, I'm stuffing myself. I don't really know what to talk about. Ain't nothing really going on. Ain't nobody doing nothing. Everybody quarantined and bored. I know down here in Florida, they robbed the, somebody robbed the seafood store. Took all the crabs. Come bring me a couple. Golly. I was like, they robbed the crabs? This ain't even hurricane season. I hate to go to jail. And the headline be for stealing crabs. Stealing anything. Really. Especially little stuff. Woman caught it stuff stealing a hair bow. Man robbed a woman with gunpoint for 50 cents. You just risked your whole life to rob a stranger. And now you finna go to jail. And you only got 50 cents. That's why I work for yours, because you don't know what these people go through to get that little bit of money they got now. What you coming to rob could be their rent money. Now they on the street. And then we bought seafood that we ready to eat, but my mama wanna cook today. So we're gonna go eat that. I was gonna tear this lobster and these crab legs up. And I'm gonna let the visit slip. I just slip on through. But people yelling out there. Water be hitting. And that's why I'm full though, because it's a whole I grab a whole bottle of water. But my energy feels quarantined. But yeah, I'm gonna try to put this little link in on this computer to see if it'll work, and then everything else I'm gonna let them do tomorrow when they call me, or however we gonna do it, because my Skype not even working over here, so I don't know what the move is and what how everything gonna work. So we'll see once I get that in and see if everything gonna work over here. Because the funny thing is, I think it's just because I do need to use that link, because like I said, all of the internet works on my computer, well, on their computer. The only thing that's not working is their stuff for their company, so I have to use that link that they provided, and it makes you a whole nother web browser screen, and you have to work everything from out that web browser screen that they gave you, or nothing is gonna work. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be waiting for them anyway, because I'm locked out of everything. And y'all, I'm glad this thing covered my shirt anyway, because it got a little flour on me and stuff from cooking. Well, this, I don't know if y'all can see that little stain right there. Right here. Well, I guess this black shirt just make it where y'all can't see it on there. God, look at you trying to look out for your girl. Trying to look, trying to look, I need that. But yeah, I'm gonna get up off here because I'm full and I gotta go. Finna check on this salmon, get the rest of this stuff going. This video only 18 minutes, but y'all be alright with a short video every once in a while. You know, everything ain't gotta always be long, because I really ain't got nothing to talk about, so I'm really just going off the brain. I'm going off the, well, I'm always going off the brain, but you know what I mean? Sometimes I be having an idea, like, I want to talk about this. But this is the end of the video, when I'm finna go, and your mom, and your mom, and your mom, she's a 3-0, and your mom, and your mom. That's the remix. She's a 304, and I'm out that mother freaking door, cause I gotta go, gotta go.